Onward to introduction to the forex market. Introduction to the forex market. So when we talk about the forex market, basically we are going to focus on what happens on the charts. All right, what happens when we open the forex market, when we open trading view, what do we see and what really goes on there. Let's see. So this is basically a new setup, or should I say, for your own sake, I open trading view. Let me come back here. So once you open tradingview.com, right, you will have to log in to the account. So you can press here and we will give you the necessary prompts for you to key in your email account, email address, password, or you can just sign up with Google. And you know, this technological age, sign up with Google, you don't have to cram everything. Then you get access to the charts. So if you are a trader, this is what you'll be seeing. This is what you'll be seeing on your charts. All right, we went through some quick tutorials as to how things are on the trading view chart platform. We spoke about some of the tools, we spoke about different things, but we didn't get to this area. I hope you can see the mouse. We didn't get to this area where you can see gold, you can see indicators, replay, etc., etc. So let's glance through a quick session. All right, so yes, let's start with this you see here. So if you have opened to trading view, right, and you are new to it, this is how your chart will be. Over here we have, that's when we come to the right side of it, the platform of the window, we click here, we have the watch list. This is where the assets you'll be trading are presented. So we have the SPX, that's the S&P 500, we have US 100, the Dow Jones Industrial Average Index, volatility S&P 500, then we have the US dollar index. If you are new to this, it will be sounding like different things in your head, but you'll get used to it as we go forward. So that's under indices, right? Then we have for someone's trying to say something. We should all open it without that. It is easier when you open with your desktop, with your laptop. All right, it is much more easier and convenient when you do it with your laptop. In fact, you will not be doing analysis on your phones. Just because you have trading view on your phone, you are not going to be doing analysis on your phone. The assets you'll be trading, you can trade Apple. Yes, those who are fond of using Apple phones, don't just buy Apple phone. You can also be trading Apple phones. Some have decided to buy shares. You can be buying and selling as a trader. Or Tesla. If you are here and you already own a Tesla car or whatever device from them, you can also. And to all those who watch Netflix, you can trade. Let me even be opening them. You can trade Netflix. Okay, so what I just clicked here, all right, that is the time frame. So I am going to, you go to your trading view. This is where I hope you can all see. I hope you can all see. This is where your, all right, this is where your time frame is. Currently I'm at the 1 hour, so I can switch to, you see there are ticks, seconds, all right, minutes, hours, days, then ranges. So we are going to focus on seconds, minutes, hours, and days. All right, so right now let me open to the 1 day. All right, yeah, so you will see it over here. In fact, we can click, do as I do, so long as you are understanding and you're following. That's important. So I just clicked the D, all right, and I can favorite or put a star on 5 seconds, 15 seconds, let's say 5 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours. All right, then let me say one day, then 1 week. What you realize is that it all comes here. We have 5 seconds, we have 15 seconds, we have okay, so we have 5 minutes. I think the 5 seconds is out of the option because this is a free version. All right, so let's take the 5 seconds out. So you have 15. Okay, this one is part. I think they have updated their system. So 1 hour, 4 hours, daily time frame, weekly time frame, and why is 1 minute there? So 15 seconds. So according to how you're going to trade, so this is actually the weekly time frame. What does this mean? It means that when we talk about the weekly time frame, it means this is what is happening from the weekly perspective. It means that from the weekly perspective, remember, we go back here, we take our not here, we come back here, we take our part 2, right? Where are you? Part we take our part 2, and now for demonstration, this is our weekly time frame. This is what it is. This is what it's showing us. We are seeing that we are currently overall we are bullish, and we are having over here what's that thing called? Yeah. So we are having over here rectangle for drawing zones. All right, I will explain all that. So we are having over here a strong demand zone. Okay, so this is what we are seeing. This is what price is doing for Netflix, the company name Netflix, or the industry name Netflix. This is they are an incorporation. So this is their charts. All right, this is their chart. So we can use this to study how Netflix is doing. All right, we can use this to study how Netflix is doing. As traders, you can make money here. You are trading, whether it's going up or coming down, that's not your business. Your business is that you know that at this point Netflix is going to come down, at this point Netflix is going to go up, and you partake in going long or going short. All right, so if I took my trade here on this assets, I would have made profits, withdrawn quickly. I will take my trade here, withdrawn quickly. All right, so that's the nature of our business. You have only one job. You just have one job. All right. Okay. So we have seen the different time frames. All right, and we come here to we have candles. So currently, that's what we are seeing. There are different kinds of charts. We have the candle chart, halo candles. How are they like now? I don't know if you can see it. You can give me a thumbs up if you can see the difference. Okay, yeah. So we have the halo charts. We have volume candles. Okay, this is a free trial. Sorry, you can't see volume candles today. When you subscribe and you pay for it, you can see volume candles. Then we have line charts. This is how. So I don't know if you ever came across expert option. This was a kind of, I don't know if you know what expert option, but for those of you who know, you would be present, especially in the ads, you see something like this. That's a line chart. All right. As taking our priority is the candlestick chart. All right. So we use this one. Great. Let's move on. So that's under stocks. We're at Netflix. Back to the watch list. All right, the watch list. We are at Netflix. So now to features. That's where we have oil, the US oil, the US oil. So this is the US oil on the weekly. You want to see how the US oil is doing on the weekly. Okay, so it seems a bit bearish overall. These terms I'm using, we pay attention to them. I will explain them. So let's get to gold. Gold for it's been going up. It has been bullish. When we say bullish, all right, we are now talking about what you see on the forex market. Now let me explain it. So basically, at the watch list, that is where you see all your assets, crypto. This is BTC, USD, Bitcoin. For those who like to trade Bitcoin, you want to know when Bitcoin is going up, I think this would be a good time for you to invest in Bitcoin or buy coin, however it is, because it is showing bullish signs. All right, it is showing bullish signs. Please, if you are doing it, do it at your own risk. I am not your financial advisor, but based on what we are seeing here, seems that this is a strong zone that is being respected. We are yet to get the full confirmation as to if it is gonna go. And from the way it's doing here, we are yet to get our confirmation to see whether it's gonna go bullish. All right. So those who do BTC, congratulations to you if it's gonna go up. So yes, this is Ethereum, right? Yeah, on the weekly. So you can see it on the weekly, daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, and so on and so forth. So now let's drop it down.